If you're an educator, keep watching and welcome to Squigl. Squigl allows you to create content around key concepts, lessons, and instruction, and then share it with your learners online. Squigl is also your tool for engaging your classroom by transforming ideas into pictures for all sorts of communications. My name is Eric and I'm the Chief Innovation Officer at Squigl. And in this video, I'm going to show you as an educator how to create a video with a simple cut and paste of some text and then recording your voice. From Squiggl's dashboard, I'm going to select Express Mode. This is the fastest way to get a video created. I'll start by entering my title. Next, I'm going to copy some text that I've already written in a document. This could be easily written as a topic introduction or an announcement. I'll paste it into the script box. As you'd expect, it's important to make sure that punctuation is clear and designates the sentences. And then I click Next. Next, you want to elevate your text to audio so your students are receiving the information both audibly and visually, which is at the core of boosting retention of information and one of the strengths of Squigl. You have options to upload audio from another source, to use machine-generated voices, or use your own voice, which your students are familiar with and find comforting. Squigl will use whatever microphone you have plugged into your computer. It's important to speak slowly, and if you don't like your first take, you can always re-record. This is going to speed forward as I record the audio. You can listen to the audio and make sure you like it, or delete it and start again, and then hit Next. Here is where we let Squigl do its magic. It's going to select keywords for us from our text. I'm also going to let Squigl automatically group my sentences and the keywords and images together on a frame. And we'll use animated images called glyphs and click Next. Squigl is selecting keywords and images from our database to match those keywords and stitching them together into a video in minutes. Once it's rendered, you can click on the video in the dashboard and play your video. COVID-19 is a new illness that affects your lungs and airways. It's caused by a virus called coronavirus. Symptoms of coronavirus are a cough, high temperature, and shortness of breath. Simple measures like washing your hands often with soap and water can help stop viruses like coronavirus spreading. I'm going to pause it here. As you can see, this image for water isn't exactly what I'd like. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize this to improve engagement, understanding, and retention of the information. I hope that helped you understand how easy it is to start creating content for your students with Squigl. If you'd like to add Squigl to your distance learning toolbox for free, go to squigglit.com/remote learning.